Now, for all those of you who are not still very clear about how to create a recording in ReadTheWords.com, I suggest you have a look at my other video entitled How to Use the Create Text page in ReadTheWords. If you want to convert any file or document, you need to go to Convert Files option, and this option lets you convert any text file or a Microsoft document or an Adobe PDF or an HTML file into a recording. Now, a special word of caution here when you want to use, or rather when you want to upload a PDF file for conversion, is that you have to make sure that the PDF contains actual text and not scanned images which look like text. Now, this distinction is important because if a PDF contains text in the form of scanned images, ReadTheWords.com or in fact any other application which you might want to use will not be able to convert it straight into a speech recording. So how do you find out for sure if a PDF actually contains text or not? There is a very simple way. What you need to do is open any PDF file. Say for example I open this, and you choose the text highlight option here, and after that you try to select any part of the text using the mouse. If you find that it's not getting selected, it means it is a scanned image, and there is no way you can ever get this kind of PDF to be converted into a speech recording. So an example of a PDF which has actual text would be, let's take this. So here if I try to select an option, if I try to select text, it does get selected and you have the option of copy. So this is a very sure shot way of finding out if your PDF will be actually converted into a speech recording. Right. So now once you have a file which you want to upload, suppose I choose a Word document file, I just enter a file name and I click on create audio. It will take some time to upload the file. If it's a large file, it might take up to a minute. If it's a small file, it will get uploaded fast. Now you will end up on the My Library page where you find that the recording has been created. Now if it's a large file, it might show a message here which says file is under processing queue, which means that your file is being processed as a recording, and it might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on the size of your file. Once that processing is finished, this page is going to refresh again and you'll see the file here exactly as it shows now. You can obviously play it back by clicking on the play icon, and you can see the text. Now if at any point of time you want to edit the speech recording again, you can simply alter the text. You can rather choose the edit option, and here you have the actual text from the file. You can alter it in any way, and then if you want to maybe change the voice, you can do that, and again say create audio. So what this will do is now it will overwrite the old recording of that file with a new one. As here it says file is put under processing queue, it means the file has been processed and now you have the file ready. So now when I play it back, it's going to play it back with a new voice which I chose.